Money is only a means goal, means to an end. In the bank, they are only a number. What are you going to spend them on? Manifestation is all about mindset. Change your mental paradigm and everything will change. I'm your guide today, and in a second I'll give you a tool. To get transformation and results, you got to set up your mindset for success. It's my purpose to help you and your business doing just that. Here's the exercise and tool. Ask yourself, how much money do you need for what and why? You need to make the money work for you, otherwise you are working for them. They have to circulate. So every time you send money out, ask them to come back with more of their friends. Post it in the chat, subscribe and get a free talk. Tell us what you want and we show you how to get it. We simply have the system that works. Success is not a secret, it's a system, so don't waste your life. I'm Kasper Larsen and here to help you get full spectrum success. Tell us your goal and we'll show you how to break free in just 6 months and get your results.